So now let's see how we can work around with lens flare and black and white effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to work around with those, I'm going to go around under Project Assets right here, and I'm going to go around and bring in, let's say for example, this picture right here, this video I mean, and I'm going to go around and bring this in under the video layer 1. So once I do that, I'm going to go around and add in lens flare and black and white effect. So to do that, I'm going to go around under effects right here, and once I do that, I'm going to go around over here under let's say generate, and here you can see that lens flare is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag out the lens flare on this particular video clip right here, then you can see that this is what you have. You can go around and change around the flare brightness, as you can see right here, just like this, and you can also go around and change around the blend with original, as you can see right here, and change around the center over here just like this as well for the lens flare right here. You can choose the different type of lens over here as well, like 35mm or 105mm for different lens effect, as you can see, and you can change the amount of lens flare over here as well. So that's one. And another effect that you can add in is a black and white effect. So to do that, I'm going to go to effects, and then under image control, you can see that black and white is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out, you can see that I can apply, and then you can see that black and white has been applied over here at an adjustment layer, and that's it. So that is how you can work around with lens flare and black and white effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.